Yo, what's going on, you guys? I'm trying to take this video in one take, so I apologize if I stutter or anything. But basically, I just wanted to make a quick announcement that today, when you guys are seeing this video, I have left Canada for 1 month, boarded my plane, and I'm going to Pakistan because it's my brother's wedding, and I'm gonna be there for 1 month. But I have recorded, edited, scheduled, and uploaded 25 videos for you guys, so you're gonna have content all over the month, so don't worry about that. It's going to be uploaded every other day on 7 p.m. or 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. most likely on the weekends, and then 7 p.m. on the weekdays. So I'm covering stuff like new business opportunities, how to monetize your passion, a lot about Shopify, some things on Amazon. So be sure to look forward to that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go out now. I'm just gonna take a break finally. You guys have been following me on Instagram, which you should, because I'm gonna be showing behind the scenes when I travel there. And let me know if you guys want to see a vlog. But yeah, guys, just follow me on Instagram. But if you had already, you would know that I've been working every day, recording and editing 2 videos a day, because I had to finish 25 videos in 11 days. So that's approximately 2-3 videos a day and edited. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say. Again, a lot of value stored for you guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, now's the best time to do it. You're gonna get an upload every other day at 7 p.m. and 10 a.m. on the weekends. And again, if you're into Shopify, Amazon, or just general entrepreneurship stuff, then you guys are gonna enjoy my content. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm out. Peace. See you guys in 1 month.